Can a custom operating system actually give your old, low-end PC a massive performance boost? Today, we are pushing our hardware to the limit by installing Windows X-Lite Optimum 1126H on a Pro version 2. We will look at the automated setup, test the resource consumption, and see if it completely fixes system lag. Let's jump straight in.
And we are booted directly onto the desktop. The installation was incredibly fast, and the interface feels completely snappy and responsive right out of the box.
Let's open up the Windows Start menu. As you can see, the developer completely stripped out all the generic Microsoft bloatware and background tracking apps, leaving a perfectly clean slate. Now, let's open up this PC and check the storage properties of the C drive to see the actual installation footprint. Look at that! The entire installed operating system takes up a mere 5 GB of disk space. This is an absolute lifesaver for low-capacity drives. Let's pull up Task Manager to check the real-world resource metrics on a fresh boot. Background processes have been slashed down to just 50 active processes. And the system is idling at an absolute minimum of exactly 1 GB of RAM usage. Moving on to the desktop, let's dive into the extra folder. Inside, the developer included essential tools to customize your setup, including a printer enabler, desktop shortcuts, and Xbox sign-in fix. Helpful user guides, installers for the Microsoft Store and web browsers, a widgets enabler, custom registry tweaks, and extra wallpapers. Let's run the winver command to verify the core architecture. We are officially running version 26H1, build 28000.1, packed with the absolute latest system features. Final verdict: Optimum 11 is an absolute masterpiece for budget configurations or dedicated gaming setups. If this deep dive helped you optimize your hardware, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech for Boost for more clean system tweaks. Thanks for watching.